Hi guys, today we are talking about vitamin D foods. Here are some foods that are high in vitamin D. Salmon. Salmon is high in vitamin D because it is a fatty fish. Fatty fish can contain high levels of oil and vitamin D that is stored in the body's fat tissues. Canned tuna. Tuna is a good source of vitamin D. A 3-ounce serving of canned light tuna can provide approximately 150 to 200 IU of vitamin D, which is approximately 20 to 25% of the recommended daily intake. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are a good source of vitamin D. One large egg yolk can provide approximately 40 IU of vitamin D, which is approximately 5% of the recommended daily intake. Eggs are also a good source of protein, healthy fats, and other vitamins and minerals. Orange. Oranges are one of the fruit rich in vitamin D as its juice is fortified with calcium and vitamin D. This is one of the best source of vitamin D for people.